Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a typical upper ball joint. Take these off now. These are the four that are holding it onto the control arm. The next move for a corner, and he's played corner. He's been a nickel corner. I think he could be something that with Brian Flores said he might see him matched up on guys. He said he's going to start at safety. So you should not be able to do this. I think it would be a nice moment for the family, and people would get charged up about it. People would get excited if he comes out, and if he's doing that, and you're on the mic, you need to. It's TV. Yeah, I suppose it's got to be a little more than that. Yeah, I don't have a fancy torque wrench. You don't need a fancy torque wrench. They're cool. I often look at those and go, oh man. But guess what? It's good enough for my old man. It's good enough for me. And I think JJ Kirby realizes that. So just some of those things. It's just like, he gets the whole dynamic of it. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today, I showed you how to remove a typical upper ball joint.